Hello everybody, back with yet another episode on my channel. So, obviously I don't have the lockpick required to open up this door, but Shayna bought a bunch of stuff for her husband and herself on both of their accounts, and well, he has lockpicking devices. Right, this man's, like, seriously, this is one of the rarest things in the game to get. Well, it's not one of the rarest things. Oh, actually, it kind of is, because they're very, very hard to get. Very, very hard. And you can only use them in the mall and all that. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, shoot, 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 shoot. Bro, we gotta hurry. Bro, we gotta hurry. Hurry, 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 hurry. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I ain't even gonna waste any freaking time. Dude, I can't lose this event. I didn't even know it was up. I didn't even know it was up. I've been losing it. Come on, brother, you can do this. You can do it. You can do it. Hurry, 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 hurry. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm panicking, I'm panicking, I'm panicking. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Done and done. My armor broke. What a garbage time for it to break. Ooh, I'm gonna take that and that. I'm good. Take the rest. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye. I love y'all.